Welcome to my messy desk. For the Dear Julie Julie Junk Journal Challenge for August, we had to make 8 small mini notebooks. And we could make them the size we wanted, and I chose 2 sizes that I think will fit into my 3 one signature journals. We had to use 3 decorative items on front, and the rest is up to us how we wanted it to be inside. I'm not very fond of the staple showing, so I'm going to make one with a hidden staple. Just coffee dyed paper, thick paper, and I took some scrap paper I had left with lines for use inside. I can make this first. Just cut them the size I want. They do not have to be the same, all of them. So you can take the small ones also too. So you can use all of the paper. That's the beauty of a junk journal. You are the boss. You, and only you, figure, can decide what's right or wrong. I want something I can write on. Simple as that. So, make sure you throw away those small bits so you don't glue them. It's going to be a rough, not neat little journal. So, I'm happy with that. Now, I'm going to take the stapler. If I can find it. Yes, I do. A messy desk can be both opening for you to be creative, but also making it harder to make stuff because you can't find what you're looking for. So here I got my paper stapled in. And now I take some pretty paper. I've designed the pattern and just printed it out on my laser printer. You can use any paper. Look, gone. And now you can glue it. I just happen to have the double-sided tape here. The beauty with double-sided tape is that you do not get those bubbles in paper, especially thin paper. When you use wet glue, it's hard to prevent the paper from bubbling up. It's hard to get it flat. Can help to have nails. Oh, it sure do not want to. Yes. Now I just choose the top because I know it's fold it. And then I take the other side. I do not take both at the same time because then it's just going to be messy. A bit of. Make sure it will stay inside the paper or else you get a problem. As simple as this can you make it. Be careful with the tape as it will stick to. You see, here I got a wrinkle. This is I'm going to cover it with something. Not sure what. It's a junk journal after all, so you can. It do not have to be perfect. Now I'm standing up, creating. Usually I sit down, so then I would make sure that I put the double-sided tape on the paper and fold it. No, so simple. I rounded the corners and linked it on the edge. I think I want it this way because this wrinkle can be covered by something afterwards. This is perfect. Stamp on the inside, ink the edges, just leave it like that. Add a pocket inside. It's just a base. Not fully decorated since I got the floor, but if I was happy with it, I could that it looked like this. Then I would say, okay, this is done. I got what I wanted. A little booklet I can write in. And that is that. Have a nice day. See you in a not different video, I hope.